Nahihirapan ka bang mag-let go at mag-move on? Let go mo na. Bitawan mo na. Sobrang hirap mag-let go. Alam natin yan. Sobrang hirap bumitaw, lalo na't nasanay tayo na kasama siya. Nasanay tayo na andyan lang siya. Pero kailangan nating gawin yung mag-let go dahil mas masakit kapag ikikip pa natin pero hindi na pala tayo yung mahal. Even in friendships or other kind of relationships, if hindi ka na mahal, if hindi ka na na-appreciate, let go mo na. Bitawan mo na. It is easier said than done, but you must allow things to happen at it is. Alam kong mahirap, lalo na't matagal na kayo, lalo na't okay na kayo. Pero biglang nawala lang lahat ng yun dahil sa mga pangyayaring hindi mo inaasahan, pero ginusto niya naman. And whatever your decision is, remember that acceptance is very important. Tanggapin mo na ganyan talaga ang buhay. There are people who will come into our life to give us a lesson. And we should be thankful din for them dahil dumating sila sa buhay natin na ipadama natin sa kanila yung pagmamahal na deserve nila. Alam nating mahirap talaga yung mag-let go. Mahirap bumitaw. Lalo na't hindi mo alam yung buong dahilan. Tas biglang makikita mong masaya na siya habang ikaw malungkot pa kakaisip sa inyong dalawa. Mahirap din mag-let go kapag magkasama pa rin kayo o nagkikita pa rin kayo. Kaya minsan, there are things na kailangan talaga nating i-sacrifice for you to move forward. And remember that letting go is not the end of everything. Rather, it's an opening of many opportunities at para mas makita mo yung mga bagay na para talaga sa'yo. It's very important as well to focus on yourself and sa mga bagay na alam mong pwede kang mag-grow para maibalik mo ulit yung pagmamahal at mabuild mo yung confidence mo sa sarili mo. And always remember to surrender everything na tapos na at nagbibigay ng pain sa'yo. Alam nating hindi madali ang buhay. Moving on isn't about loving someone anymore and forgetting them. It is about having the strength to say, I still love you, but you're not worth this pain. Always remember that if you are rejected, accept. If you feel unloved, let go. If they choose someone over you, move on. Remember that in every no from someone is a yes to someone better. Ito po, si Sugar Dolly, your Hugot Babe, right here on Wild FM 103.1. This is Emotions Going Wild.
Emotions Going Wild.
Wild FM.
Emotions Going Wild.
Wild FM.